To enjoy the accessibility elements of searching, download All4Access.
My name is Alan Lightman. I'm a scientist and a writer.
Open the app and select Start. When the program starts, select Sync.
My family has a home on a small island in Maine.
Once the app has synchronized, choose Audio Description, Captions, or Sign Language. Choose Audio Description.
I was alone on the water.
Alan steers the small motorboat.
I was captivated by the quiet and the stars overhead.
Twinkling stars fill every inch of the night sky. In his boat, Alan prepares to toss his anchor.
I decided to turn off the engine.
Choose Sign Language. A box with an interpreter appears in the app.
I lay down in the boat and looked up. After a few moments, my world dissolved into that star-littered sky. The boat disappeared, my body disappeared, and I found myself falling into infinity.
Choose Captions. A stream of captions appears in the app.
I felt as if I were part of the stars. I was merging with something much larger than myself. And the vast expanse of time, extending from the far distant past.
We thank Geoff Haines-Stiles and his Passport to Knowledge division for authorizing the use of searching segments for this video.